Flying long distances after 50 can feel exciting, but it also comes with challenges most travelers never think about. A mistake in the air can make your trip uncomfortable, stressful, or even risky for your health. That's why today we're going to uncover 21 mistakes seniors make on long flights and how you can avoid them. Miss even one of these, and your journey could quickly turn into a nightmare. Stay with me until the very end, because mistake number 1 is the simplest to avoid, but the one that ruins flights most often. Without wasting your time, let's get straight to the point.
21. Arriving too late at the airport. One of the biggest mistakes seniors make is showing up late at the airport. Airports are no longer small bus stations. They're massive, noisy shopping malls with airplanes attached. Security lines move at the speed of a sleepy turtle, and walking between gates can feel like running a marathon. Arriving late means you rush, sweat, forget essentials, and risk missing your flight completely. Imagine waving goodbye to your plane from the wrong side of the glass. It's not fun. Be smart. Arrive 3 hours early for international and 2 for domestic. More time means less panic, smoother travel, and peace of mind. But showing up late is only the beginning. What happens if the bag you carry is the real problem?
20. Carry-on bag overload. Overstuffing your carry-on seems smart until you try lifting it. Suddenly, you're wrestling with a suitcase like it's a heavyweight boxer. Seniors often think, I might need this, and pack everything, including the kitchen sink. But heavy bags strain your back, slow you down, and may even cause embarrassing overhead bin battles. Airlines allow 1 carry-on and 1 personal item, so pack light. Focus on essentials: medication, documents, snacks, glasses, and a sweater. Wear heavy shoes or jackets instead of packing them. Lighter bags mean less pain, easier walking, and no red-faced struggle in front of strangers. Travel light, travel happy, travel smart. A heavy bag is bad enough, but the next mistake can quietly put your health in danger before you even board.
19. Skipping a pre-flight health check. Your body is your most important luggage. Some seniors skip doctor visits before traveling, but that's risky. Flying means long hours sitting in a pressurized tube where even young people feel tired. For seniors with heart, breathing, or circulation issues, skipping a checkup is like rolling dice with your health. A quick doctor visit can adjust medications, provide travel tips, or approve special assistance. Oxygen, wheelchairs, or simple medical notes are easier to arrange early. Think of it as travel insurance for your body. Don't gamble with your health. Get checked, get cleared, and fly with confidence instead of silent worry. Even if your doctor clears you, ignoring the next step could leave you stranded and exhausted inside the airport. 18. Refusing special assistance. Too many seniors avoid asking for help at airports, thinking it's embarrassing. But let's be honest, airports are designed to test Olympic athletes. Endless walking, heavy doors, and chaotic lines drain your energy before the trip even starts. Special assistance exists for a reason. Wheelchairs, carts, and priority boarding make life easier. Refusing them is like refusing an umbrella in the rain. You'll get soaked in stress. Airlines provide these services free if requested early. Accepting help isn't weakness, it's smart survival. Save your energy for sightseeing, not sprinting across terminals. Be kind to yourself and let the system carry some weight. But accepting help won't matter if you fall into the next trap, a silent danger inside the cabin itself. 17. Sitting still for too long. Long flights can turn seats into traps. Staying still may feel relaxing, but your body secretly suffers. Seniors especially risk swollen legs, stiff joints, and, in rare scary cases, blood clots. Picture stepping off the plane unable to walk straight, hardly the start of a dream trip. The fix is simple. Move. Stretch, wiggle your toes, roll your ankles, or walk to the restroom every hour. Even setting a phone alarm helps. It may look funny to others, but your legs will thank you. Small movements keep blood flowing and reduce pain. Remember, planes move fast, but you shouldn't stay still. Moving your body helps, but the next mistake can still drain you dry without you even noticing. 16. Ignoring hydration needs. Airplane cabins are drier than deserts, and dehydration sneaks up faster than you think. Seniors are extra vulnerable because the body's "I'm thirsty" alarm gets weaker with age. Many passengers make it worse by only drinking coffee, tea, or even wine. Bad news, because those drinks dry you out more. Dehydration brings headaches, fatigue, and grumpy moods, and nobody wants that at 35,000 feet. The solution is simple. Bring an empty bottle through security, fill it, and sip often. Add electrolytes if needed. Staying hydrated keeps energy steady, circulation healthy, and jet lag lower. Water truly is your cheapest travel insurance. Water saves you in the air, but one small pill mistake could ruin your trip faster than thirst ever could. 15. Medication mix-ups. Losing track of your pills mid-flight is no joke. It can turn a smooth trip into a medical scare. Many seniors toss medications into random bags or forget schedules when time zones shift. Imagine trying to explain unlabeled pills to airport staff. That's stress nobody wants. The smarter move is simple. Keep medicines in original boxes or a labeled pill organizer. Always in your carry-on, never in checked luggage. Carry a printed prescription list and your doctor's contact. Even better, set phone alarms to remind you. This prevents panic during delays and keeps your health safe. Organization here could literally save you. But even with your medicine sorted, hours in the sky can feel endless if you forget this one thing. 14. Forgetting entertainment and chargers. Boredom is a sneaky villain on long flights. Many seniors depend only on in-flight screens, but here's the truth, sometimes they're broken, sometimes boring, and sometimes older than your grandkids. Sitting for hours with nothing to do makes the flight feel twice as long. The smart traveler brings backup, downloaded movies, podcasts, books, or puzzles. Don't forget headphones and a small charging cable in your pocket, not buried at the bottom of your bag. A power bank is gold. Entertainment isn't just fun, it's a weapon against stress and jet lag. Stay prepared and hours in the sky feel much shorter. Staying entertained is vital, but the next mistake can knock you out, sometimes in ways more dangerous than helpful.
13. Overusing sleep medication.
It's tempting to pop a pill and sleep through the entire flight, but that can backfire badly. Strong sleep meds often leave you groggy, confused, or even wobbly when standing up in the cabin. That's dangerous at 35,000 feet. Instead, try natural tricks first. A neck pillow, eye mask, noise-canceling headphones, and a blanket. If you must use medication, only do so with a doctor's advice on timing and dosage. Remember, your body also needs to sync with the new time zone, so heavy drugged sleep may make jet lag worse. Balanced, gentle rest beats waking up like a dizzy zombie. But even if you manage sleep, the wrong meal choice could leave you hungry, sick, or both. By the way, if these tips are opening your eyes, tap that subscribe button now. The next videos are packed with travel mistakes even more surprising than these, and you won't want to miss them. Let's resume. 12. Not booking special meals. Airline food is famous for being salty, heavy, and sometimes mysterious. Seniors with diabetes, high blood pressure, or allergies often forget to order special meals. Big mistake. If you don't, you may end up with food that's unhealthy, unsafe, or simply inedible. The good news, airlines let you pre-order options like vegetarian, low-sodium, or gluten-free meals, usually free of charge. Just confirm 48 hours before the flight. Always carry snacks like nuts or protein bars as backup, because nobody wants to faint from hunger midair. Eating smart keeps energy steady, avoids nasty surprises, and makes sure you land safely, not sick. Eating right keeps you strong, but the seat you choose next could decide whether you arrive smiling or suffering. 11. Choosing the wrong seat. Your seat can make your trip heavenly or miserable. Too many seniors simply accept what's left, then regret it for hours. An aisle seat is best. Easy bathroom access and freedom to stretch. Bulkhead or exit row seats mean more leg room, but only if you're fit to handle them. Avoid sitting near toilets unless you enjoy constant noise and strange smells. Window seats trap you, making it awkward to move. Use the airline's seat map or review websites before booking. Spending a little extra for comfort is worth it. A smart seat choice saves your back, your legs, and your sanity. Comfort matters, yet even the perfect seat won't protect you from what's quietly happening to your legs.
10. Forgetting compression socks. Compression socks don't look glamorous, but they can save your legs. Many seniors skip them thinking they're unnecessary, but that's dangerous. Hours of sitting makes blood collect in your legs, causing swelling, discomfort, or, in rare scary cases, blood clots. Compression socks improve circulation, reduce fatigue, and prevent elephant ankles at landing. They're cheap, light, and easy to pack. Just slip them on before boarding and keep them on throughout the flight. Your legs will feel fresher, and you'll walk off the plane ready for adventure, not limping like you finished a marathon. Trust me, socks beat medical emergencies. Protecting your legs is smart, but your whole body clock can still betray you if you miss the next step. 9. Poor time zone adjustment. Jet lag can hit like a hammer, and seniors often make it worse by ignoring time zone changes. Staying on home time during flights confuses your body, making you tired, grumpy, and wide awake at 3 a.m. The smart trick: switch your watch to destination time as soon as you sit down. If you'll land in the morning, sleep during the flight. If you land at night, stay awake with movies, books, or walks. Drink water, avoid heavy meals, and skip alcohol. This small step reduces confusion, saves you from days of exhaustion, and helps you enjoy your trip faster. Beating jet lag is tough, but the next mistake might hit your stomach and ruin more than just your sleep. 8. Ignoring ear pressure. Many seniors underestimate how painful ear pressure can become during takeoff and landing. Without preparation, it can cause dizziness, discomfort, and even ear pain that lingers. Simple tricks like chewing gum, yawning, or swallowing during climbs and descents help balance pressure. Specialized filtered earplugs, designed for flights, are even better. If you have congestion, use a doctor-approved nasal spray before boarding. Ear pressure may seem small, but when ignored, it turns the first and last minutes of your flight into misery. Preparing ahead keeps your ears clear, your balance steady, and your journey smooth from start to finish. But even with your stomach settled, another hidden mistake can leave you feeling exposed and unsafe in flight. 7. Dressing for the wrong cabin climate. Cabins are unpredictable. One moment it's hot and stuffy, the next it feels like a freezer. Seniors who don't prepare for these shifts often feel miserable. The solution is layering. Wear comfortable clothes, bring a light sweater or shawl, and carry warm socks. Don't forget small items like lip balm and moisturizer, since the air is dry and irritating. Dressing smartly ensures you adapt to any cabin condition without suffering. Comfort is more than style. It affects your energy, mood, and overall health. A few smart clothing choices make long flights more bearable and even enjoyable. Fixing that helps, but the next slip-up can make your entire trip far more uncomfortable than it needs to be. 6. Booking tight connections. Many seniors underestimate how exhausting big airports can be. Booking a short layover may seem efficient, but it creates stress and increases the risk of missing your flight. Walking long distances, passing through security again, or waiting for shuttle buses takes longer than expected. Always allow extra connection time, especially in international hubs. If possible, choose direct flights to avoid connections altogether. Otherwise, book longer layovers and request gate-to-gate assistance. This extra buffer gives peace of mind, prevents rushing, and keeps your body calm. Missing a flight is far worse than spending an extra hour waiting comfortably. And once comfort is gone, the next mistake can completely wreck the travel plans you worked so hard to make. 5. Not asking for help on board. Flight attendants are trained to assist, but many seniors stay silent, even when they need something. Whether it's asking for water, needing help with an overhead bin, or requesting a seatbelt extender, don't hesitate. Small discomforts grow into big problems on long flights.
Speaking up ensures your needs are met quickly and respectfully. Flight attendants prefer passengers to communicate early rather than struggle in silence. Your comfort and safety are their job, so let them help. The journey becomes easier and more enjoyable when you ask for assistance instead of suffering quietly through the flight. Plans may save your trip, but if you miss this detail, you'll still be stuck in chaos. 4. Skipping lounges and pre-flight rest. Seniors often wait at crowded gates, not realizing how much better airport lounges can be. Many lounges offer quiet spaces, comfortable seating, clean restrooms, and free drinks or snacks. Even if you don't have lounge access through a ticket or credit card, buying a day pass can be worth it. 1 or 2 hours of rest in a peaceful environment makes a huge difference before a long flight. It reduces stress, helps you hydrate, and lets you board feeling calm. The airport experience shapes the entire journey, so don't ignore this smart pre-flight comfort option. Chaos is bad enough, but the next mistake could actually land you in real danger. Number 3. Not using digital backups. Traveling without digital backups is a mistake that creates unnecessary risk. If you lose important documents like your passport, tickets, or medical papers, your trip can turn into chaos. Take photos or scan copies and store them in cloud storage or email them to yourself. Install your airline's app for boarding passes, seat alerts, and flight updates. A small Bluetooth tracker in your checked luggage adds peace of mind, showing exactly where your bag is. Having digital safety nets ensures that even if something goes wrong, you can quickly recover and continue your journey without panic.
2. Ignoring health and movement breaks. Even though we've covered moving during flights, seniors often forget about airport movement too. Long periods of sitting before boarding add to the risk of stiffness and poor circulation. Instead of sitting the whole time at the gate, take short walks around the terminal. Stretch, do ankle rolls, and drink water to stay energized. These simple habits reduce swelling and help prevent deep vein thrombosis, which becomes more common with age. Prioritize small health breaks both in the airport and during the flight. Your body will thank you, and you'll arrive at your destination feeling far stronger.
1. Forgetting to enjoy the journey. The biggest mistake seniors make is treating the flight only as a struggle to endure. Stressing over every detail, complaining about small discomforts, or forgetting to relax takes the joy out of travel. Instead, pack one small thing that makes you happy: a favorite snack, a playlist of songs, or a lighthearted book. Shift your mindset from surviving the flight to experiencing it. Every trip is an adventure, and the flight is part of the story. When you allow yourself to enjoy little comforts, you land happier, calmer, and ready to embrace the journey ahead. If you're finding these tips helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I share travel tricks every week that can make your next journey easier and safer. Click any of these videos on your screen, and I'll see you in a moment.